Do you want to have colossal customer experiences? Do you want your customers to be coming back again and again and again? If the answer is yes, let me give you these 5 quick things that you can do to have colossal customer experiences. Number 1, empathy-driven connection. What that means, train your team to deeply understand the needs of the customers as well as their challenges. How do they do this? By actively listening and empathizing. Understanding what's going on with the customer can help you better take care of the customer. So empathy-driven connection. Number 5 is a doozy, so stay to the end. Number 2, alignment on expectations. Ensure everybody on your team is aligned with the customer's goals and expectations. Watch this from the very beginning. Make sure everybody knows and understands that we are here to take care of the customer. And when your team is treating the business or the organization like it's their own business or organization, the customer's needs will always be taken care of. Number 3, empowered decision-making. Equip your team members with the autonomy to make on-the-spot decisions. These decisions that they make on the spot can enhance the customer satisfaction, and satisfied customers are referring customers, and referring customers are returning customers. So you want to give your team autonomy to make the decisions they need to make on the fly to take care of your customer. Number 4, proactive communication and follow-up. Keep the customers informed every step of the way. You must be transparent. You must be proactive. You must have great communication. When you do this, it shows commitment. And this can turn even a challenging situation into a positive experience, okay? Make sure you are being proactive and you are following up with your customer. Your customer wants to hear from you, even if it's just an email to say thanks, if it's a text message there on your text group to say thanks. Make sure you are being proactively communicating with your customers. All right, number 5, I told you number 5 was a doozy. Continuous improvement and feedback loops. Okay, continuous improvement and feedback loops. These foster a culture that values customer feedback. Okay, so you want the customer to be telling you how good the food is, or how great the service is, how great the environment is. That's what you want the customer to be able to do. They are when they interact with you, they see an opportunity that you want to improve, and watch this, that you care enough about them to find out what it takes in order for them to believe that you have improved, okay? Make sure you do these things. Empathy-driven connection, alignment on expectations, empowered decision-making, proactive communication and follow-up, and then finally, continuous improvement and feedback loops. My name is Dr. Cliff Freeman. I am your teamwork guy. Teamwork, it's not talent, it's trust. Follow and subscribe for more. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.